Hi Doonistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel. Or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video, guys, is going to be my very first unboxing of 2021. Yes, I am so excited. So if you are interested in seeing what is in the box, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is my very first unboxing of the new year 2021, and I am so excited. So if you have not checked out my final unboxing of 2020, where have you been? I will leave a link below so you can check out the last bag that I added to my collection in 2020 to close out the year. So let's get into this unboxing, guys. This is a bag or a style that I have a love-hate with, and I only own a few in this particular style. And so I asked if you guys can guess what this was, and one of the Doonistas of the Den, my Facebook group, was able to get it right. So anyway, let's go ahead and see what we have here. And this particular style, I don't know if I have this style in my collection, something similar. So here we go, guys. Let's see what I have. And this is a bag that is a little bit out of my comfort zone. I wouldn't say totally, because like I said, I do own some bags in this particular pattern. So here we are, and let's just take her out. This is my packing slip. And okay, let's see. There she is, and I did get a new dust bag here. You guys have seen this dust bag before. It's made of muslin. I absolutely love it. And normally the coated cotton bags do not come with a dust bag, so I love how they are just including those now. So here is the bag, guys. Here is the bag. This bag is actually pretty large. And, okay, I was thinking that it might be a return, but I think I might be okay. And I'm not one who is picky about returns anyway, as long as it's not been used. If somebody opened it and decided that it wasn't for them, then that's perfectly okay, which seems to be the case with this one. It's like someone probably got it and then decided that they didn't like it because it's still wrapped up. So let's just take the paper off. Okay guys, so here she is. So this is the Dooney Bourke Blakely Celeste satchel in the color Brown Tomorrow, and it is a satchel, as you can see. Let's check out the inside. Here is the strap, and it is still attached and wrapped. So let's just take this off really quick. Okay, so here is the strap, all nice and unwrapped. This is a long strap, so I'm thinking that this is a 3-part strap, which I know I'm gonna love. And it is a nice, a very nice size satchel, guys. And this is a satchel that's on the larger side, which is the reason I picked it up. I love the shape and the style of this satchel. I love the braided handles. That is what drew me into this bag. And guys, this bag has been on my list for, I'd say maybe about a year or so. Again, I'm not really into the signature pattern, but every time I saw this bag in Dillard's, I always thought to pick it up. I've tried it on a couple of times and I absolutely love it, but I just could not get past it being a signature bag. And I am really, really loving this bag, guys. I really am. So anyway, guys, this is the Dooney Bourke Blakely Celeste Satchel in the color Brown Tomorrow. And I am so excited to be able to add her to my collection as a nice grab and go bag, one that I don't really have to be all that finicky about. So let's do some quick mod shots just so I can show you how the Celeste fits on the body. Okay guys, so here she is being carried on the crook of the arm, which is probably how I would normally carry her, but I probably would not carry her with the strap hanging down so low. So let's just see if this is a 3-part strap. Okay, so yes, this is a 3-part strap. So I'm just gonna put it on the last hole here, like that, much better. So I would probably carry her with the strap hanging in the back, like this. Very nice size bag, guys. I would consider this to be a large satchel. Absolutely beautiful. And I have it on the very last adjustment here, which is the longest adjustment, but I don't think that it would fit comfortably over the shoulder with it being this short. It barely passes the elbow test and the handles get in the way. I would not carry it like this. So I particularly got the bag to be able to carry it as a satchel by the crook of the arm. I didn't get it to carry over the shoulder or any other way. So you can carry it like this, but like I said, I think I would prefer to have the strap hanging down on the back, or just maybe take it completely off. So now let me show you how she fits with the long strap. Okay guys, so here she is being carried on the shoulder with the long strap. And again, I probably would not carry it like this. So for giggles, let's carry her as a crossbody, a little bit more comfortable. It doesn't look as awkward or feel as awkward as it does being carried just on the shoulder. But it is fairly comfortable because it tapers up as it gets to the top of the bag, so it lays against the body really nicely. And you still have some more adjustment in the strap if you want to lower it or if you want to bring it up a little bit more. I normally steer away from bags with stand-up handles, though I do own several in my collection with stand-up handles. But again, this particular bag, I bought it to use it as a satchel only. So it's comfortable. I will say it is comfortable. The handles do not get in the way. It lays nice against the body because it is a little bit tapered. So again, not bad, but I probably would not carry this bag as a crossbody. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.